Our goal in developing this project is to serve as a teaching aid. It makes it easier for teachers to teach students, and students will also find it easier to understand our project. The reason we are facing this issue is that our college lacks an educational system where students have to struggle to use the educational system, and students enjoy understanding the system both theoretically and practically because the system is easy to maintain. Therefore, we have developed a project called the Smart Refrigeration System, IoT, which makes it easier to teach and for students to understand our project. It used to be easier to teach, and students found it easier to understand our project.
We start by marking the metal plate so that it can be cut. Next, the process involves welding the metal plate at the project site. After that, the process involves grinding the excess metal on the welding seams. Next is the process of painting the main frame of the project. Here is the process of installing the rods on the project site and securing the main frame. We are installing the rods on the project board and doing the wiring. The process of bending the cup and pressing the cup is carried out. And finally, we create the game and analyze the entire project.
Our project includes components related to education. That includes the compressor, condenser, TSV and evaporator. And then there are components related to education. The emulator, frustrator, receiver, hand BAP, Pitadrea, side class, Solonet main, and various components.
We are excited to have added IoT elements to this project. The main component we are using is the main controller, which is the ISP32. We are using 6 sensors, which include 4 temperature sensors, DS18B20, and 2 electrical sensors, which are the ampere sensor, KCS7100, and the voltage sensor, ZM3T100B.
In this project, we developed an IoT application. This can be displayed on the phone again, and it can be turned on from this country.
We also developed this application, which is the Smart Refrigeration System with IoT. It includes the piping diagram, wiring diagram, compressor temperature, condenser temperature, freezer evaporator temperature, chiller evaporator temperature, ampere current, and voltage.
It's really all about having an internet connection. We can release it to the outside environment.
Here is the temperature of the evaporator, and here is the temperature of the chiller evaporator. This is the electricity here.